Hello, I'm Ron Covell. I have a lot of followers on YouTube. In fact, I expect to reach 100,000 subscribers in the next few weeks. I'm delighted that so many people are watching my videos to learn more about metalworking. But it recently dawned on me that not everyone knows that I write about these subjects too. I wrote a monthly column for Street Rodder magazine for 30 years, and I wrote for Classic Trucks for nearly 20 years. These magazines are gone, but I'm delighted that my column is now featured in the Goodguys Gazette. If you haven't seen my column yet, I think you'll enjoy it. I love to help people learn more about metalworking, welding, and building vintage vehicles. My contact details are listed in my column. If you send me a question, you'll get a personal reply. The Goodguys Rod and Custom Association has been presenting automotive events since 1983, and their award-winning publication, the Gazette, has great features and articles every month, accompanied by striking photography. You can join the Goodguys Association and have the Gazette mailed to you every month. Go to goodguys.com for details. You can also read the digital Gazette on their website. Click the magazine tab on the home page, then click Read It Online. I also have merch on my channel now, like this great t-shirt plus stickers and mugs. Check it out, and I'll be uploading more how-to videos soon. I'll see you next time.